Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to use Grok AI in Twitter. So you have to make sure that you are currently subscribed to the premium version in order for you to unlock this one. Grok is available only to X Premium Plus subscribers around $40 per month. So what you're going to do here in order for you to get that, you need to sign up to your Twitter, and then you have to go to your profile and then go to premium. Now here it will show you the different plans that you can avail. So as you can see here, there is this Grok AI, and in order for you to get this, you need to subscribe to this plan. So in the mobile, you just have to click this to subscribe, and then you have to purchase this one. You need to purchases using your debit, credit card, or other payment provider here. So it will show you directly to the payment method. You will have your choices, depends on your region. Once you're subscribed, then if you go back to your Twitter, then you can just basically use this Grok. So you can now start chatting with Grok. You can type your question or request just like you would with ChatGPT. Grok is trained to handle writing help, research and Q&A, translation and text rewriting, creative writing and brainstorming, fun, witty replies, and so on. You can also use Grok for Twitter content like draft tweets, summarize threads, and reply ideas. You can also use advanced uses, multi-turn chats, creative projects, voice and tone control, and so on. So in short, you need to subscribe to Premium, plus open Grok in X or Twitter, chat with it like ChatGPT, use it for content creation, research, or fun. So that's how easy it is to use Grok AI and Twitter. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.